In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Etsy app not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, completely close the Etsy app from the background and reopen it. Then restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches. Apple also recommends restarting or reopening apps when they freeze or stop responding. Next, check for app update. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Etsy. Once app appear, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, check for your device software update. For that, close this, launch settings, go to general, click on software update. If any updates are available, just update it to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next, you can check the server status of Etsy. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in Etsy server status and search for it. Now navigate to the very first one website. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Lastly, completely delete Etsy app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. One of these methods should fix your issue. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.